takeoff. Home points updated.
All right. Figured we go and check out the old railroad bridge. About hit a dumb bitch on a lawnmower, thinking that she owns the road and was doing twirls on a fucking zero turn. Then looks at me like I'm not supposed to be on the road. New pairs for you. Pretty cool. It's crazy. There's people who've lived in this town their whole lives. They've never seen this stuff. Well, I will bring it to you. Really, what I got to worry about is fishing line. You can't really see it on here. We are going to go over that. Over the hill and through the woods to Grandma's house we go. Alright. See, it looks all nice for you right now, but because my signal's weak, it looks a little choppy, so I have to really look. Oh, baby, you did so good. Well, let's cancel that for right now. Alright. There's my bitch. And there is something right there. Okay. Put on the antenna booster. Work. All right, we're gonna have to come back and do this in another position. I don't know if I have enough light to get over there. It's the hill. It's cutting off my signal. So once I get far enough over there, like it just completely goes out and then it returns to home. And luckily this thing's a beast and can navigate through the tree canopy. This motherfucker would have been gone.